Operation procedure. Before operation of the mixer truck, check the fuel tank to ensure sufficient hydraulic oil in the hydraulic pump and a motor system. Check whether lubricating oil is sufficient in each lubrication part, and ensure that the air outlet pipe of the fuel tank is smooth and tank operation handle is at the middle stop position. Start up the truck, drive the truck under the charging hopper and mixing station to make the feeding hopper port of the truck align with the charging hopper of the mixing station. Operate the handle to make mixer drum in the forward rotation state, with the rotation speed 2 to 4 rounds per minute, while the mixer drum can be fed. When material is loaded to nominal agitation capacity, operate handle to adjust the agitation speed of the mixing drum to 1 to 3 rounds per minute, so as to ensure safe operation of the truck and drive the truck to the unloading site. Before reaching unloading site, adjust unloading chute to the position necessary for unloading material, shift the handle from the feeding to the stop, then shift it to discharge position to reverse the tank, so that concrete flows toward tank port through the reverse rotation of main blades, and discharge to desired position through chute, and the rotating speed of engine can be adjusted to control discharging speed according to working condition. 2. Precautions of truck operation. If the truck with concrete runs for too long time, quickly agitate concrete with a speed of 12 to 16 rounds per minute for 3 to 4 minutes before unloading to enable the concrete more even by agitation, and then conduct discharging according to the requirement of site. After discharge is completed for each time, feed hopper, it is necessary to clean feeding hopper, internal part and external part of mixing drum, unloading chute, etc., in order to prevent the concrete from solidifying on the above parts. During the operation of truck, regularly check whether connecting bolts at every position are loose according to operation instruction. If any, retighten them effectively to ensure safety of truck. Hydraulic oil and gear oil must be replaced after 300 hours in the first period, and can be replaced every 6 months later. The surface of roller should be greased during operating the truck to reduce the wear between the roller and the guide rail. Regularly lubricate and maintain truck components in accordance with requirements in the lubrication chart. For others, conduct the operation and maintenance in strict accordance with the operation instruction and read the operation instruction carefully before operation.